everyone, good morning and welcome back to our Petrol. And आप सभी लोग, I hope you guys are all doing good. और Happy New Year in advance because today is 29th of December of 2020 and और 2 दिन में New Year आने वाला है. So Happy New Year in advance, all of you. And I'm really apologizing for the fact that I couldn't upload much for the last couple of weeks because I was pretty busy with my personal stuff. So here's a new update from Petrol. My brother Kunal, he is buying his new car, Seltos BS6 version 2021. As you guys already know what is the video will be about, still I'm gonna explain that we are taking the delivery of this car on January 3rd, and which is after 4 days. So tomorrow we're gonna drive to Guwahati from Tripura to receive the car, and I'm gonna make the video in 2 parts. One is taking the delivery of the car and the other one is the walk around and the features. So guys, stay tuned for the rest of the video and Happy New Year all of you in advance. गाइस हम लोग फाइनली पहुंच गए किया शोरूम और आई कांट कंट्रोल द एक्साइटमेंट. अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं गो डाउन to see whether if the car is ready or not. Let's see. किया का गोडाउन जहाँ पे सारे किया का मॉडल्स यहाँ पे. Look at this. This is the orange version of Kia Seltos 2020 BS6. So cool, man. So cool. Guys, by the time the paperwork is getting ready, I'm gonna take a tour for the features of this car. मतलब जो भी मुझे पता है. और rest of the features I'll explain you once we go ahead with the video.